Soy is a powerhouse performer on your plate and for our planet. And there are so many different ways to use it. Ever heard of miso? Yes, like in miso soup. Did you know it's made of soy? Who can we thank for discovering this versatile delicacy? Great question. The miso we know and love today was first introduced in Japan nearly 1,300 years ago. How crazy is that? But before we talk about the tasty dishes you can make, let's look at the many ways miso can spice up your health journey. In 1 teaspoon of miso, you get 0.73 grams of protein. On top of that, the fermented paste has several essential vitamins and minerals, and may even help support overall gut health. And the best part is, it's fairly easy to make and doesn't require a laundry list of ingredients. Interested in making your own? Here's what you need to do. First, soybeans are washed and soaked in water until they're nice and soft. Next, the beans are cooled and mixed with salt and the fermentation starter. The mixture is then agitated with water and packed in fermentation casks. The longer the miso ferments, the stronger the flavor. Once your miso has reached the desired level of fermentation, it's time to mash it. And bada bing, you've got yourself your very own miso paste. See, not too bad, right? Now it's time to get cooking. Due to the fermentation process, miso flavors range from lighter and sweeter to darker and saltier, while the textures range from smooth to chunky. So while you could stick to the classic miso soup and be super satisfied, next time, try out a miso butter, dressing, marinade, or glaze. Whichever way you choose to miso, just remember, U.S. soy is something we can all feel good about.